friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Mehjabin. I would like to thank all my viewers for the wonderful feedback I got on a particular video I uploaded here on my channel. That particular video contains a detailed explanation of the poem Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead. Do check out that video if you haven't already. I will attach the link in the description box below. And today we are moving on to the questions and answers related to this poem, Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead. This poem was composed by Lord Alfred Tennyson. So the question is, who could make the widow cry and why? I'll repeat the question. Who could make the widow cry and why? It was a 90-year-old nurse who was finally able to make the widow cry. The nurse did so by placing the widow's baby on the knee of its mother. On seeing her child, the lady could no longer control her emotions. She broke down. She knew that she would have to keep herself alive in this world as she had a fatherless child to take care of. The nurse succeeded at a task in which the other mourners who had assembled in the house of the dead warrior had failed. The nurse was an experienced woman. She was familiar with the ways in which the emotions of mothers worked. Since the widow hadn't cried on seeing her dead husband's body, the people who had gathered there had begun to feel anxious. This was a young mother. It was important for her to grieve, or the shock of losing her husband might even kill her. Her maidens tried out different ways to make her weep, but nothing worked. The nurse succeeded in her mission because she was a wiser and much experienced woman. She had seen life. She had strong notions about maternal bonding. Well, that's all for today. Meet you again very soon. Bye.